Do you collaborate closely with a talented graphic design and/or copywriting team? If you do, you'll know that sharing a well-crafted brief with your creative team is a must if you want to produce top quality content for your A/B tests. Knowing how to write an effective brief will save you time and resources, inspire creativity and innovation, and build trust and collaboration with your content teams. Here's a 5-step process to follow, as well as a bonus tip that you could use to ensure you brief your creative team well before your next A/B test. First tip, define the scope and expectations. Which ASIN or ASINs is this for? Which listing area do you need the team to work on? When do you need the final version by, or a draft version by? This is important as teams have different priorities and workloads, just as yours does. Second tip, share some examples that you liked, such as competitor images, reviews, or titles. You can even have a go at writing the title to show the team your line of thinking. Third tip, establish any priorities or must-haves. This will depend on your test. However, if it's a title test, which search terms have the highest priority, then medium, then low? If it's an A+, which features should take up the most room or appear higher up on the A+? And if it's a main image, would you rather the product was tilted at a certain angle to showcase or emphasize a certain feature? This step is really important and is often where teams go wrong. Tip number 4. The first 3 steps were quite prescriptive. This 4th step is designed to engineer and foster creativity. Ask for your creative team's input and ideas. They are called a creative team for a reason and are specialists in their own right, so will definitely have their own ideas. 5th and finally, leave enough time to review the first version produced. If you followed the steps above, it's likely you won't have much to review. However, it's also possible that once you see the version, you have a suggested tweak. Remember to be really clear about any edits you would like to. Bonus tip. Once that's all done and you've set up and completed your successful A/B test, don't forget to celebrate success. Acknowledge the team's hard work and recognize the contributions of the creative team. One way of doing this is to share performance improvements or feedback that customers have left, such as reviews that mention the update they worked on. In summary, sharing a well-crafted brief with your creative team is a must if you want to produce top quality content. To make sure this happens, follow these 5 top tips. 1. Define the scope and expectations. 2. Share some examples that you liked. 3. Establish any priorities or must-have. 4. Ask for your creative team's input and ideas. 5. Leave enough time to review. Bonus tip. Celebrate success. Thank you for listening to our video today. I hope you've really enjoyed it and taken some valuable lessons. You'll be able to catch more videos like this one on the FordeBaker LinkedIn page, our website, and our YouTube channel. Remember to follow us wherever you're watching those videos. Thank you and good luck.